Today we are making whole tomato salad, a simple Showa-era Yoshoku classic. A ripe tomato is hollowed out and filled with creamy tuna salad, then finished with a nostalgic Aurora sauce that brings everything together. Simple, comforting, and surprisingly satisfying. Remove the stems from the tomatoes. Then make a shallow X-shaped incision on the opposite side. Bring a pot of water to a boil and gently lower the tomatoes into the water. After about 10 seconds, when the skin begins to peel back, remove them. Transfer to cold water. Then peel the skin starting from the loosened area. Slice onion thinly and finely chop. In a bowl, combine the canned tuna, onion, and Japanese mayonnaise and mix well. You can also add chopped pickled vegetables if you like. Cut off the stem end of the peeled tomatoes. Using a spoon, scoop out the inside to about halfway deep, removing some of the flesh. Then fill the tomatoes with the tuna salad a little at a time. Then smooth the surface with a spoon. Chill in the refrigerator until ready to eat. Next, we are making the dressing. Combine the ketchup, mayonnaise, rice vinegar, and oil. Mix until smooth. Place the tomato on a plate and pour the dressing over. Fresh tomatoes pair beautifully with the creamy tuna salad and rich dressing, creating a balanced and satisfying flavor. This makes an excellent side dish for any Western-style Japanese entree. Hope you try it!
美味しい。